Bryan talks about the relationship between the contractor and the homeowner, and how there may be 10 contractors out there, but only one is right for you. And making sure that you interview your contractors. It's not just about letters of recommendation, but it's the relationship that you both have together. So you have to find somebody that works well with you, and that's a really important part of that relationship that I think people may take for granted.
So that hiring a contractor is the same as courting a beautiful lady and getting married. In the beginning it's all fun and you're talking about future plans, but at some point you're going to sit down and sign a contract. And there are legal rules and regulations, and everything's great while the relationship is happy. When things go sideways, it ends up
very ugly,
very expensive and very ugly very quickly. So you have to choose the right one, like I did.
Safe there.
So sweet.
Yeah.